In any workplace, emergencies can happen when we least expect them. That's why first aid provisions are so critical. They can make the difference between life and death. Today we'll walk you through what every employer needs to know about providing first aid for their team. Let's start it. First aid provisions in the workplace revolve around three essential components: facilities, a designated space where first aid treatment can be administered; equipment, fully stocked first aid kits and other necessary items; personnel, trained staff capable of delivering first aid effectively. Let's start with facilities. In smaller workplaces, this might be a room that serves other purposes but can be quickly set up for treatment. Larger workplaces should have a dedicated treatment room that is centrally located and accessible to emergency services, clean, well-lit, heated, and ventilated, equipped with essentials like hand wash facilities, chairs, and clinical waste bins. Next up is equipment. A small, low-risk workplace might only need one fully stocked first aid kit, but for larger workplaces or high-risk environments, you'll need much more, such as eye wash stations, emergency showers, blankets, splints and stretchers, resuscitation equipment like ADADs, and even wheelchairs if required. First aid kits should include items like sterile bandages, plasters, disposable gloves, sterile iPads, and unmedicated wound dressings. Don't forget to customize the kit's contents to match the risks in your workplace. Now let's talk about first aid personnel. These are trained individuals who play a crucial role in responding to injuries. Their job is guided by the 3 Ps. 1. Preserve life. 2. Prevent deterioration. 3. Promote recovery. First aiders are trained to handle everything from minor injuries to life-threatening emergencies, keeping the injured stable until professional medical help arrives. Finally, communication is key. Employers must notify staff about the first aid arrangements in place, especially the identities and locations of trained first aiders. Clear signage and regular reminders ensure everyone knows where to turn during an emergency. By providing proper facilities, equipment, and training, employers not only meet legal requirements but also foster a safer, more prepared workplace. Remember, first aid saves lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more workplace safety tips. Stay safe. Join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for exclusive information and reference materials to support your learning journey. The link is in the description. Thank you.